Hello friends, hope so all are doing good. In this video I'm going to tell you how to disable or enable Windows Defender Firewall in Windows 10 or Windows 11. You can disable or enable Windows Defender by this simple method. You have to go to Windows icon shown in your taskbar and right click over it. Then you have to click on run. Then in the run windows you have to type as I am typing. You have to type here firewall.cpl. You have to write this, then press OK over here. After writing this, then this Windows Defender Firewall window will appear to you. Then on the left side you will see turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. You have to click on it. After you click on it, this window will appear where you can customize the setting. You can turn on or turn off your Windows Defender Firewall for private network setting as well as for public network setting. You can also turn on Windows Defender Firewall and also turn off. I am not doing because I don't want to change my setting for the networks. You can do as per your convenience. It is very easy. As I told you, you can turn off also by this same method only. Means you can disable the Windows Defender. Hope so you like this video. Thanks for watching.